that four-wheel drive and that white car behind the four-wheel drive are obviously travelling together.
Yeah.
Because that other white car's right up the back of the four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
That's why they were so
close
to coming behind. It should never be that close.
No. They shouldn't be catching up that fast. Back there, we could have had a really bad accident.
Yes, the four-wheel drive was okay, but it was the other car that followed the four-wheel drive that caused the problem.
Yeah.